Is your trusty 13.4-inch laptop screen looking a little tired? Well, this MND408ZA1-3 matrix replacement might just be the shot in the arm it needs. We're talking about a serious upgrade here, jumping to a crisp 2520x1680 resolution. That's a significant bump in sharpness and detail, and honestly, it makes a world of difference for everything from reading text to editing photos. The installation process itself, while not for the faint of heart, is surprisingly straightforward if you're comfortable with a few small screws and delicate connections. Once it's in, the visual payoff is immediate. Colors pop with a vibrancy that was likely missing from the original panel, and the increased pixel density means you can fit more on your screen without everything looking like a tiny ant farm. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you appreciate your laptop all over again, bringing a fresh, modern feel to an older machine. While it doesn't add any touch functionality, which is clearly stated, the sheer visual improvement makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to boost their display's performance. For those who spend hours staring at their screen, this upgrade is a genuine game-changer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.